What is market sentiment? Market sentiment is the overall mood or attitude of investors towards the market or a particular stock. It's not about hard numbers like earnings or dividends. Instead, it's just about how people feel. Are they optimistic and confident, or are they fearful and cautious? Essentially, it reflects the prevailing emotional state of the market. Why does it matter? Sentiment matters because emotions can often drive decisions as much as facts do. If investors are feeling positive, they may buy more, pushing prices up. If they're worried, they may sell, dragging prices down. Even if nothing about a company's actual performance has changed, market sentiment alone can move its share price. That's why you often hear phrases like the market is bullish, positive sentiment, or the market is bearish, negative sentiment. It's also why markets sometimes move in waves when people follow the crowd, a behavior often called herd behavior. Here's a simple example. Imagine a company, green tech, that makes solar panels. It reports steady earnings, not much change from last year, but suddenly governments announce they are thinking about a policy providing big subsidies for renewable energy. Investors get excited, the mood turns optimistic, and the share price shoots up. That price rise isn't only about green tech's actual results, it's largely driven by the positive sentiment around the future of renewable energy. The same works in reverse. If rumours spread about an economic slowdown, investors may start selling even perfectly healthy stocks, simply because the mood has turned fearful. Real-world examples include things like the dot-com bubble in the early 2000s or the hype around meme stocks, such as GameStop in 2021, both cases where investor excitement, sentiment, sent prices soaring far beyond what the fundamentals of the companies involved would have suggested. What else should you know? Sentiment is often described as bullish, positive, expecting prices to rise, or bearish, negative, expecting prices to fall. There are also tools that try to measure it, like fear and greed indexes, surveys of investor confidence, or by watching trading volume and options activity. It's important to see how sentiment differs from fundamentals. Fundamentals are the facts: revenue, profit, debt, assets. Sentiment is the mood around those facts. Sometimes they do line up, but not always. A company may be doing fine on paper while its stock price drops simply because sentiment has turned sour. Another key point, sentiment tends to dominate in the short term, causing quick swings in price, but over the long run it's usually fundamentals that matter most. And remember, sentiment isn't always rational. Sometimes markets swing too far in one direction because of hype or panic. That's why professional investors often say the market is driven by two powerful forces: fear and greed. To sum it all up, market sentiment is the collective mood of investors, whether hopeful or fearful. It matters because it influences buying and selling decisions, and therefore prices, even when the facts don't fully justify the moves. By keeping an eye on both fundamentals, the facts, and sentiment, the mood, investors can better understand why markets behave the way they do and avoid being swept away by emotional waves. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description. Don't miss out.